Hey guys, it's Miss Hockaday here in one of the 4th grade science labs, and I have my helpers today, Will and Abby, and we are going to be showing you guys how to do the Can You See It lab, okay? So, Miss Ferris has been telling you to get some balloons ready if you have them and you want to follow along with this experiment. So, if you have your frozen balloon and your balloon full of water and your balloon full of air, you want to go ahead and get those things out now. And you also want to get some kind of tub or bowl or something that you can use. If not, your parents or your granny are not going to be happy with you because you're going to make a mess, okay? So, here we go. First step, you guys have, what balloon do you guys have right now? Ice, the one that's full of ice, okay? So what you're going to do at home and what these guys are going to do here is you are going to actually cut the balloon away from the ice. So guys, if you will pick up your scissors and go ahead and show them, cut that top. Okay, and then you can kind of, once you have it cut, now you can kind of peel it or cut it down. Here, Will, right here. Get your scissors. Get your scissors. Okay, cut. There you go. And now you can kind of peel it out. You get it to come out. So you guys should be doing this at home if you have yours ready and available. We're cutting those out. Don't cut your mom or whoever's helping you.
It doesn't work. It cut.
Okay, ready? I'll hold, you cut. Or just, yeah, there you go. Cut it away or just flop it out. And look what we have. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Okay, let's see if we can get Will's.
I'm sitting.
Okay, so now we've got to ask ourselves a couple questions because we're talking here about matter, right? And solid, liquids, and gases. So the questions that we're going to ask is like, can you see it? Can you see it, guys?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Okay, yes, you can see it. Did it keep its shape?
Yes.
Yeah, because it still looks like the shape of the balloon, right? And then does it take up space? Is it taking up space in this bucket?
No.
What do you mean?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. I didn't say it's going to take up all the space, right? But it does take up space in here, okay? Now, what do you think? Is this going to be a solid, a liquid, or a gas?
Solid.
It is a solid, right? So we have our solid ice. So the next balloon we need now is our water balloon. And again, make sure you got some kind of tub, okay? I don't want Mom calling me all mad that you made a mess in her kitchen, okay? So over top of the bucket, people. You got me?
Yep.
Okay? No, you're not over top. What? Look, over top. Get your scissors. Cut it open. Ah! Ah! Willie, get it in there. Cut it all the way open. Okay, so same kind of questions here, right? With our water balloon. Can you see it? Can you see what came out of the balloon? Yes. Okay, you can see it. Did it keep its shape? No, because look, this is the ice, right? We'll get rid of that. But this is no longer the shape of a balloon, right? So liquids don't keep their shape when they're out of their container. Okay? Does it take up space? Yeah, a little bit, right? So it's taking up a little bit of space in our container because our container is bigger than what the balloon was to start with, right? So it's taking up a little bit of space. And is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Liquid, good. Okay, now let's pick up our last balloon. This one you don't need to be so worried about, okay? You might just need to do one of these. Okay, get your scissors, cut her open. Give her the good cut. Oh, you guys are so gentle. Okay, so now, can you see it? No, you can't see it, right? So gases we can't always see, okay? Did it keep its shape? No, because we don't see a little, balloon size air floating around, do we?
Can't even see it.
That's right, okay? And so is this, does it take up space?
No.
This is a tricky one.
Yes.
You are correct. The kindergartner got it right, okay? And let me just show you. It takes up space because if I take this air from my body, it's taking up space, right? So it's taking up the space in the balloon. Now, when they cut it open, right, that air is now taking up the space in the room. So the molecules of that air are going to float everywhere in this room, Okay, so it is taking up space. We just can't see it, okay? So there you have it. That is the Can You See It lab. If you had your materials at home, I hope you had fun doing that. If not, now that you saw it, you might want to go get those materials and give it a try for yourself, right? Okay, so solid, liquids, and gases. Thanks for joining us today. Keep it up, doing good with your schoolwork, all right? We'll see you next time.